Hi everyone. So now I'll move on to the formulas. So formula integration total formulas. There are n number of formulas, but I'll write what are the necessary things. Then you can, by practicing, you get the formulas, everything. So this is purely based on only the formulas. So integrations formulas. The first one, x power n dx. You'll get x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. You can note it down in your classbook. And the second one, a constant. So 1 dx, you get x plus c. And the third one, integration e power x integrate panna e power x. For all the things indefinite, you have to put plus c. And a power x dx, a power x upon log a. In differentiation, you will put into log a. In integration, you put upon log a. And next one, 1 upon x integrate panna, you will get log x. This is base c, okay. These all are base c, but I have written out plus c. So this is very peculiar case. You will ask me that say x power minus 1, sir. X power minus 1 you will get x power minus 1 plus 1 upon minus 1 plus 1. You will get infinite. So this is a peculiar case. 1 upon x. Next, sin x. So sin x you will get minus cos x. Cos x you will get sin x. Next, secant square x you will get tan x. Secant square x now you will get tan x. Next, cosecant square x. I am seeing the MTG book only. MTG book they given you page number 160 they given very clearly. So cosecant square x you will get minus cot x. And secant x tan x. Secant x tan x you will get secant x plus c. And cosecant x cot x. Cosecant x cot x you will get minus cosecant x plus c. And integration dx upon root over 1 minus x square. So you will get sin inverse x plus c. Sin inverse x plus c, or you can write this one as minus cos inverse x plus c, because in differentiation if you differentiate sin inverse x you will get this one. If you differentiate cos inverse x you will get minus of this one. So I written very clearly. So the next one is integration dx upon 1 plus x square. You will be getting tan inverse x plus c, or in the previous one as I told you earlier, cot minus cot inverse plus c, minus cot inverse plus c. And the next one, 1 upon integration x times square root over x square minus 1 dx. So you will get secant inverse x plus c, or you will be getting minus cosecant r, okay, minus cosecant inverse x plus c. And the square root value should not be negative. And the next one, tan x. So tan x integrate panna, you will get log secant x plus c, or is very important formula, minus log other formula, minus log modulus cos x plus c. So tan x integrate panna log secant x or minus log cos x. The next one, cot x. So cot x dx. So cot x integrate panna log sin x, you will put log modulus also because it should not be negative. Next one, secant x. So secant x integrate panna, you will get log of secant x plus tan x. Log of secant x plus tan x, or plus c, you will put plus c, okay, or log of modulus tan x by 2 plus pi by 4, tan of x by 2 plus pi by 4 plus c. Next one, cosecant x. So cosecant x dx can be formula is log of cosecant x minus cot x plus c, or log tan x by 2. These are the important formulas which I am giving you. Note it down in your classwork or whatever the note you like. It will be easy for you to note it down. Next one important property, as I told in there, that f dash of x integrate will become f of x, f double dash integrate f dash of x, f triple dash will become f double dash of x. The remaining will give you, and the next, there are three methods that I will teach you in the second exercise exercise, and one next trigonometry formulas. No, I'll finish it off integration fully, then I'll move on to trigonometry. So, integration formulas. Next integration formulas. So the next integration is integration upon, that is integral 1 upon a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of modulus a plus x upon a minus x plus c, and integration 1 upon x square minus a square minus x square minus a square. This will become 1 by 2a times log of modulus x minus a upon x plus a. See the difference between the two formulas. And the next one, 1 upon positive, that is 1 upon x square plus a square, will get, and 1 by 1 by a times tan inverse of x upon a plus c. Okay, here a square na a. For example, here 4 square na a, in place of a you have to put 4. So 1 by 4 tan inverse x by 4. Similarly in all the things here, a square na 1 by 2a. So here 2 square na a will become 2. Here 4 square na a will become 4. Here 6 square na a will become 6. Here 7 square na a will become 7. So a value is very important. The next one is square root. That is integration 1 upon square root under root a square minus x square dx. So is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. Similarly a in place of a, okay, and integration of square root. So 1 upon root over a square minus x square, this is x square minus a square dx. So this is log of modulus x plus root over x square minus a square dx. And one more, 1 upon, so integration 1 upon root over x square plus a square into dx is equal to log of modulus x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. Next, next very important thing is integration square root. There is no fraction, okay. Square root a square minus x square is x upon 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse x upon a. Don't analyze yourself, that you have to how to keep in mind that by only one way is through practice only. So don't think that, so these many formulas are, sir, how to remember, sir? I don't know, sir, 35 formulas, 30 formulas. There is no, my dear. Please understand that through continuous practice only you'll get 100%. If you practice every day at least 2 formulas, 5 formulas, sure you'll get, because we are seeing the batches and batches that through continuous practice many children are able to remember all the formulas, because these are all the engineerings in all the in your career is going to use. Okay, the formula they're going to substitute, professor is going to substitute directly and they're going to do. Okay, so next one, integration a square minus x square, right? The next one will be x square minus a square is equal to x upon 2 square root over x square minus a square upon 2 log of modulus x plus x square minus a square plus c. And the last one, integration over root over x square plus a square dx is equal to x upon 2 square root x square plus a square upon 2 log of modulus x plus square root x square plus a square plus c. And now we'll move on to the trigonometry formulas. So trigonometry formulas also very important, because third exercise is based upon fully trigonometry. So which is based on class 11 half angle formula, which you have heard already. So now we'll move on to the half angle, full angle, everything, okay. Now trigonometry formulas, cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1, right? So it will become 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. So very the golden formula. The formula is called as golden formula. And this one also one more, cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x, right? And this will become 1 minus cos 2x can be written as 2 sin square x. This is also golden formula. The two golden formulas are this one. From this you can write as a half angle. These two can be written as half angle formula. That is 1 plus cos 2x. For example, 1 plus cos 2x, this upon 2 equal to cos square x. And this one, 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 equal to sin square x. So I told you right, how to integrate sin square x. There is no way to integrate sin square x and cos square x. You have to convert into 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. And this one, 1 plus cos 2x upon 2, then only it is easy to convert. Okay. So be very clear. And this one you can write as a half angle also. Cos square x by 2 now. So you can write, for example, 2 cos square x by 2 now you can write as 1 plus, wherever x comes you have to put x by 2, right? So you can write half angle also. So these are the golden formulas. So this one as a half angle now, 2 cos square x by 2. And this will become 1 plus cos 2 into x by, okay, wherever 2 cancel. So 1 plus cos x now, that is 2 cos square x by 2. Similarly, 1 minus cos x now, that is 2 sin square x by 2. This is half angle, this is full angle. So these are called as golden formulas. So it's mostly used in trigonometry. And next one is class 11th formula. Approximately I'm giving you 35. I'll count and tell you finally how many formulas are there. So the last 4 formulas trigonometry, that is 2 sin A cos B can be written as sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Similarly, 2 cos A sin B can be written as sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. And the next one, 2 cos A cos B can be written as cos of A plus B cos of A minus B. And the last one, 2 sin A sin B can be written as cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. In place of A plus B, I put x plus y. Okay. Then small shortcuts are there. Now I've given you these many formulas. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19, 20, 21, 25, 26, 30, 31 plus 3, 34. Till now I've given you 34 formulas. Okay, there are many shortcuts are there. So as I told earlier, it's very easy. The only thing is through continuous practice, sure you guys can achieve integrations. Because the calculus, out of 5 chapters, this is a very important chapter, which is a loophole. Which decides your marks mainly, because 11 exercises plus miscellaneous, even if you thought also exemplar books is there and an Adi Sharma is there. So only thing is you have to continue continuously. You have to practice many sums. Through continuous practice, you have to practice different types of n number of problems you have to practice. Then you will get a loophole. By seeing a question, this is which method, this is exercise, which exercise, this is 10th exercise or 11th, first, second, 5th, partial fractions. There are many things are there. I'll be coming one by one. Okay, through continuous practice you can do. You can and you will. Thanks a lot.